Okay, children, now let's see eighth one. An angle is greater than 45 degrees, more than 45 degrees. Is it complementary angle greater than 45 degrees or equal to 45 degrees or less than 45 degrees? See, let's see question words clearly here. Two angles are said to be complementary when sum of those two angles is 90 degrees. So in the two angles, they said one angle is more than 45 degrees. Yes, about complementary what we know about sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Then they are called complementary to each other. So in the two angles, they said about one angle. An angle is greater than 45 degrees. Yes, this first angle is greater than 45 degrees. It is greater than 45 degrees. First angle is greater than 45 degrees when two angles are complementary. So what is the other angle? Is that other angle is more than this 45 degrees or it is less than 45 degrees or equal to 45 degrees? We need to find. See, we can take with trial and error method. Greater than 45 you take any one angle. So let me take some 50 degrees. 50 is which is greater than 45 degrees plus I don't know what is the other angle. So let me write as it is other angle only. So is equal to 90 degrees. Now let us write other angle. Now try to find the other angle. Other angle is equal to 90. So plus 50 by transpose minus 50. So we can write now other angle. Yes, I can write other angle is equal to 90 minus 50 give us 40 degrees. Not 50 can take any angle, more than 45 can take and simplify this other angle. How the other angle must be? Other angle must be less than the given angle 45 degrees. Let me take here some 60. When I transpose 90 minus 60, we will get 30. Yes, should take more than 45 can take any angle. Here you can see the other angle must be less than 45 degrees only. So we can write the complementary of, yes, we can write complementary of given angle. Complementary of given angle is, what is the given angle? More than 45. More than 45. The complementary of this given angle more than 45 is, how it is? Less than 45 degrees. Is less than 45 degrees. That is the way you can find the solution. We'll see next one now. Indicate which pair of angles are vertically opposite angles and linear pairs. Now from this we need to identify the vertical opposite angle pairs. Similarly, we have to identify the linear pair of pairs. See, here you can see two lines are intersecting. Yes, two lines are intersecting here. When two lines are intersecting, the opposite angles found are equal. See, angle 1, angle 4, both are vertically opposite angles. Because two lines are intersecting here, these both angles are called vertically opposite. Similarly, angle 5 and these both angles. So how can I write these both angles? Angle 2 plus angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. So solution, first bit, vertically opposite angle pairs. I can write angle 1 comma angle 4. Angle 1 comma angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. Yes, more I can see angle 5. Yes, more I can see angle 5 comma this both angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3. Yes. This both pairs are vertically opposite angle pairs. Or what we can write? Vertically, yes, these are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Similarly, second bit we need to identify linear pair of angles. What is meant by linear pair of angles? Two adjacent angles are supplementary. The pair of adjacent angles are supplementary 180 degrees. Then the two angles are called the linear pair of angles. Now we can see 1 5 angle 1 angle 5. Both the angles are adjacent angles, common vertex, common arm, non-common arms are either side of common arm. Adjacent angles and sum of these two is semicircle 180 degrees. So 1 comma 5 are called a linear pair of angles. Any other pairs? Even we can see angle 4, angle 5. Angle 4, angle 5 both are adjacent angles, and also sum of these two is 180 degrees. So now we can write the linear pair of pairs. We can write angle 1 comma angle 5 both are linear pair of angles. Because adjacent angles and whose measure is 180 degrees, and also we can say that angle 4 comma angle 5, even 4 and 5 also adjacent angles whose measure is 180 degrees. So these two pairs are a linear pair of angles. What we can write one? Linear pair of angles. Yes. So see my here Garat one. In the following figure, is angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2, give reason. Now in this figure, they are asking angle 1, angle 2 both are adjacent or not. Give the reason. So see angle 1, angle 2. Here this is the vertex of angle 1 and this is the vertex of angle 2. Yes. Two angles are said to be adjacent. They must have a common vertex and a common arm. Here I can see the common arm. Yes, this is the common for both the angles, but there is no common vertex. There is no common vertex. Because of that reason, what we can conclude now? Angle 1 is not adjacent to angle 2. Solution. So angle 1 is not adjacent. Angle 1 is not adjacent to angle 2. Yes. Now we can write the reason. Why? Because angle 1 and angle 2 not have, so both the angles are not have common vertex. They not have, yes, we can write the common vertex. Angle 1 and angle 1 2 not have any common vertex. Because of that reason, both the angles are not adjacent angles. Now let's see next one. Find the values of the angles x, y, z. X measure we have to find, y, z. We have to find the measure of these three angles from this figure. Now here you can see two lines are intersecting. Yes. Let me see here. Yes. This first line and this one is second line. Two lines are intersecting. When two lines are intersecting, we know vertically opposite angles are equal. Says, let me take the name here for my convenience. Yes, let me take AB line and other one is CD line. Yes, this intersecting point, let me take some O. Intersecting point is O. Here AOB line COD are intersecting. So when two lines are intersecting, what we know, opposite angles are equal. Yes, can I say 40 and Z both are opposite? Yes, you can write 40 and Z both are opposite. They are equal to each other. Now we write the solution. What we can write? This angle AOC. So you can write now angle AOC is equal to angle DOB. Angle DOB. What is the reason why both the angles are equal to now? Sir, both are vertically opposite angles. What is AOC? 40 degrees is equal to, what is DOB is Z. Yes, I got Z is equal to how much? 40 degrees. Now we have to find y. Yes, once you see this figure, yes, AOC COB. These two angles are which type by this one? Yes, sir, both the angles are called a linear pair of angles which are adjacent and supplementary. So sum of these two is equal to 180. From there we get the value of y. Now yes, so what we can write? Now yes, I can write angle AOC. Angle AOC plus angle COB. Sum of these two is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason for both are? Yes, both are linear pair of angles. So both angles are linear pair of angles. So tell me what is AOC? AOC is 40 degrees. Yes, I can write AOC 40 degrees plus COB is equal to how much? Y is equal. Yes, we can write 180 degrees. Now y is equal to 180 plus 40 by transpose minus 40. y is equal to how much? 140 degrees. I got y is equal to 140 degrees. And what about z? How much I got? 40 degrees. Now tell me how can I find x? Yes, to find the x, let me take here this angle y and this total angle x plus 25. Sum of these two angles, sorry, both angles are called vertical opposite angles. See COB, this angle y, and AOD, this angle x plus 25. Yes, both these angles are called vertically opposite angles, so they are equal to each other. Yes, now let me write angle COB. We can write angle COB is equal, I can write x plus 25. We can write x plus 25 degrees. What is the reason? They are vertically opposite angles. Now what is COB? How much it is? 140. Yes, I can write it is 140 is equal to how much now? X plus 25. How can I find x plus 25? Transpose this side. 140 minus 25 is equal to how much? X. 140 minus 20, 120. 120 minus 5, 115 is equal to how much? X. That is the way we can find the values of x, y and z. Okay children, now let's see 14th one. The adjoint figure name the following pair of the following angles. From this figure we have to answer all these questions. See first, let's see the figure better. AC and BD are intersecting lines. AC and BD are intersecting lines, and OE is the line which is like vertically on BD. I mean it is perpendicular on BD, means it makes 90 degrees right angle on this BD line segment. Now from here we can see vertical opposite angles, a linear pair of angles. So based on that concept, we have few questions now. Let us answer this. Obtuse vertically opposite angles. We have to write the opposite angle pairs which are obtuse angles. Here I can see AOB, AOC, BOD are intersecting lines. These both are called vertically opposite angles. But how these angles are? Yes, these angles are acute angles. Both are acute vertically opposite angles, but they are asking obtuse. Now let's see here, AOC and BOD are intersecting lines. Let me take angle BOC, this angle. AOD, this angle. Yes, I can say that it is obtuse angle. Even AOD is also obtuse angle. These both are vertically opposite angles and also obtuse angles. Yes, let's see first one now. They are asking obtuse vertically opposite angle pair BOC. Let me write angle BOC, comma AOD. Both the angles are angle AOD. Yes, these both the angles are obtuse. Yes, they are obtuse vertically opposite angles. They are obtuse and vertically opposite angles. Now let's see second one, adjacent complementary angles. We have tried the two angles. Those two angles are adjacent angles, and sum of those two angles should get complementary. I mean 90 degrees. Now let's see here. Angle AOB, this angle I can take. AOE, this angle I can take. Sum of these two angles how much? 90 degrees. Complementary, and both are adjacent to each other. Adjacent to each other. Adjacent and complementary angles they are asking. So we can write angle BOA. Yes, I can write angle BOA, comma angle AOE. Angle AOE. Yes, you can see here. Angle BOA, this angle. Angle AOE, this angle. So both the angles are adjacent and they are complementary to each other. Yes, I can write or this both angles are adjacent, and what we can write more? Adjacent and complementary angle. Yes, I can write adjacent and complementary angles. Now let's see next one, third one. Equal and supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are nothing but sum of two angles is 180 degrees. Here they are asking condition they must be equal. Means what is the each angle? 90 degrees. 90 can see 90 degrees. Let me write angle BOE, angle BOE, angle BOE, angle EOD are two angles which are equal and supplementary. Yes, both the angles are equal and supplementary. Yes, supplementary angles. Then we see next fourth one, unequal and supplementary angles. Both the angles are not equal, but sum of those two will give us 90 degrees. Now let's see here, BOE, this angle will take BOA angle, AOD, this angle will take. Yes, both the angles are unequal, but sum of these two will give us 180 degrees. You can write both the angles are unequal and supplementary angles. Yes, we can write now angle BOA, comma angle AOD. This is one pair of angles which are unequal but supplementary angles. And more we can see still any angles. Let me take, yes, now let me take angle AOE, this angle, and also we will take EOD, sorry EOC. Even this both also unequal and sum of those two is 180 degrees. You can write angle AOE, comma EOD, angle EOC, sorry EOC. So both are unequal and supplementary. Unequal and supplementary. Now let's see any other angles. Yes, you can see DOC one angle, COB one angle. Both these angles are unequal and supplementary angles. We need that only, unequal and supplementary angles. Let me write angle DOC, comma angle COB. Yes, all these are unequal and supplementary. We can write unequal, yes, and supplementary angles. They are supplementary. Now let's see last one, adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. We have to write the adjacent angles, but they are not a linear pair. Should not get sum of those two adjacent angles is 180. So we have to write the adjacent angle pairs should not be 180 degrees. I can write BOA, AOE. These both the angles are adjacent angles. They are not linear pair. More I can write AOE one angle, EOD one angle. Both these angles are adjacent but not linear pair. Similarly, EOD, DOC, both these angles are adjacent but not a linear pair. Means sum of those two will not get 180 degrees. Let me write here fifth one. Sorry. Let me write fifth one. We need adjacent and not form a linear pair. Angle BOA. Let me write angle BOA, and AOE. Angle AOE. Yes, both the angles are adjacent but not a linear pair. More I can see these both angles now. AOE. More you can write angle AOE, comma EOD. Angle EOD. Yes, both the angles are adjacent but not linear pair. More we can see angle EOD and angle DOC. More we can write angle EOD, comma angle DOC. So all these pair of angles are adjacent but not a linear pair. We can write or adjacent but not linear pair. Yes, now today's session we solved a few applications based on a linear pair of angles and vertically opposite angles and adjacent angles. Hope you understood the concept. Based on that, you can try this homework book, exercise 5.1, 9th, 12th, 13th. This you can try in homework book. Thank you once again. We'll meet in the next class.